In this video, we'll do a ranking of the best Chase credit cards of 2022. But first, I would ask you to please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you find any value in the content. So let's get started. We have compiled the 7 best Chase credit cards, and here's the summary of each and every Chase credit card we'll be discussing in the video. You can find timestamps in the video description. So the first one on the list is Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It is perfect overall mid-tier card. Now let's check the rewards rates. Travel purchased with Chase Ultimate Rewards earn 5x points, earn 3x on dining, earn 2x on all other travel purchases with additional benefits, earn 1x on everything else. As an intro offer, spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening your account and you'll get 60,000 bonus points. That's $750 when you use Chase Ultimate Rewards to cash it in. It has an annual fee of $95. So now let's take a look at its pros and cons. Its pros are: you'll get 5 points per dollar spent on travel booked through Chase Travel, 3 points per dollar spent on dining out, certain streaming services, and online grocery store purchases. You'll earn 2 points per dollar spent on all other travel and 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. When you book through Ultimate Rewards, an annual $50 hotel statement credit is given. You'll get premium travel protection benefits, which include trip cancellation insurance, primary car rental insurance, and lost luggage insurance. Now what are its cons? So it has only one con, and that is this card has a $95 annual fee. Now the next one on the list is Inc. Business Preferred Credit Card. It is most suitable for business travelers. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn 3 points for every $1 spent on travel and select business categories for the first $150,000 spent each account anniversary year. Earn 1 point for every $1 spent on everything else, and you can earn as many points as you want. As an intro offer, spend $15,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening your account and get 100,000 bonus points. When redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, that's $1,000 cashback or $1,250 toward travel. The annual cost is $95. So now let's take a look at its pros. One of the best welcome bonuses we have ever seen, that is 100,000 bonus points after spending $15,000 on the card in the first 3 months. You'll get access to the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal for redeeming points. It also has a reasonable annual fee of $95 and bonus categories that business owners will find most useful. You'll also get basic car insurance as well as bonuses like cell phone, purchase protection, and extended warranty. You'll also get insurance for trip cancellation or interruption and also compensation for trip delays. So what are its cons? High spending is required to earn 100k points welcome bonus. And this card has no travel perks. Chase 524 rule applies to card applications. So the next one on the list is Inc. Business Unlimited Credit Card. It is most suitable for freelancers. Now let's check the rewards rates. On all business purchases, earn an unlimited 1.5% cashback. As an intro offer, earn $750 in bonus cashback after spending $7,500 on purchases within first 3 months of the account opening. And it has a $0 annual fee. Now let's take a look at its pros. APR on purchases is 0% for the first year. After that, the APR ranges from 14.74% to 20.74%. All purchases earn a flat 1.5 cashback. You'll get primary insurance for car rentals, and it also has no annual fee. So what are its cons? You'll have to spend more to get a sign-up bonus. and Chase points cannot be converted unless you hold the Chase Sapphire Reserve, Chase Sapphire Preferred or Inc. Business Preferred credit cards. No travel protections are provided. Next one on the list is Chase Sapphire Reserve. It is most suitable for dining and travel insurance. Now let's check their rewards rates. When you book travel with Chase Ultimate Rewards, you earn 10x points on hotels and car rentals. Earn 5x points when you book air travel with Chase Ultimate Rewards. Earn 3x points on all other dining and travel. Earn 1 point for every dollar spent on any other purchases. As an intro offer, earn 60,000 extra points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months after creating your account. When using Chase Ultimate Rewards, you can redeem that for $900 toward travel. It has an annual fee of $550. Now let's take a look at its pros. Every account anniversary year, you will receive a $300 annual travel credit to reimburse you for travel purchases charged to your card. You'll get access to hotels and airlines that work with Chase Ultimate Rewards. You'll get 10 points per dollar spent on hotels, car rentals, and Chase dining through the Ultimate Rewards portal. 5 points per dollar spent on flights booked through the Ultimate Rewards portal, and you'll earn 3 points per dollar spent on all other travel and dining, and 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. When you use your points for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, you get 50% more value. So what are its cons? It has a high initial annual fee of $550, and it may not be a good option for people who don't travel much. So the next one on the list is Chase Freedom Flex. It is best option for rotating bonus categories. Let's check their rewards rates. Each quarter you activate, you'll receive 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories. Enjoy new 5% categories every 3 months. You'll get 5% cashback on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, and that lets you redeem points for cashback, travel, gift cards, and more. Earn 3% cashback at pharmacies and restaurants, including delivery services and takeout orders. And on all other purchases, you get 1% cashback. As an intro offer, spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening your account and get $200 bonus. And it has no annual fee. So now let's look at its pros. For a card with no annual fee, the sign-up bonus is very good. The card has several categories that earn cashback. Buying travel through Ultimate Rewards earn 5% cashback, and dining out and drugstores earns 3% cashback. When you pay the bill with the card, your phone is covered against theft or damage for up to $800 per claim or up to $1,000 per year. And its cons are: you must remember to activate your bonus categories every 3 months or you might not get 5x points on certain purchases. This card has fees for transactions made outside of the US, so it's best to only use it in the US. Next one on the list is Inc. Business Cash Credit Card. It is most suitable for telecom and office supplies. Let's check the rewards rates. Each account anniversary year, you'll get 5% cashback on the first $25,000 you spend at office supply stores and on internet, cable and phone services. Every account anniversary year, get 2% cashback on the first $25,000 spent in combined gas and dining expenditures, and get 1% cashback on everything else you buy with your card, and there is no limit to how much you can earn. Now, as an intro offer, spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months after opening your account and get $750 in bonus cashback. And it also has a $0 annual fee. Now let's look at its pros. So the card's impressive $750 sign-up bonus is still available. TPG gives it a value of $1,500, which doesn't include any points you might get from the valuable bonus categories. There is no annual cost, making it ideal for small business owners. You'll get 5% back at office supply stores and on common monthly bills like internet, cable, and phone services. Additionally, each year of your account anniversary, you'll receive 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants. And its cons are: the 5% cashback received on specific categories is limited to the first $25,000 in total purchases made each account anniversary year. So the last one on the list is Chase Freedom Unlimited. It is best option for non-bonus spending. Let's check their rewards rates. Earn 5% cashback on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards that lets you redeem points for cashback, travel, gift cards, and more. Earn 3% cashback on purchases at drugstores and restaurants, including takeout and delivery, and earn 1.5% on everything else. As an intro offer, get an extra 1.5% cashback on everything you buy up to $20,000 in the first year, and it has also $0 annual fee. Now let's take a look at its pros. So every purchase will earn at least 1.5% back, and certain categories may earn up to 3% back. It has $0 annual fee and it is ideal for everyday spending. You'll get outstanding benefits when combined with a premier Chase credit card. And what are its cons? So this card has 3% foreign transaction fee and card perks and privileges are limited. So that's all for today. If you have found any value in the content, then I would ask you to please like the video and subscribe to our channel.